Okay, children, class 12th, we will study about series combination of capacitors. Children, in series combination, we can see here there are three capacitors we have taken, C1, C2 and C3. These are connected end to end. You can see that this plate is connected to the first plate, second plate is connected to the first plate. Okay. Now these are connected to a battery having potential V. In series combination, basically what happens, suppose if battery is of 12 volts, suppose if this is of 12 volts, then this 12 volts gets distributed among three capacitance, here, here and here. Okay, we can say it is distributed in form of V1, V2 and V3. Now the distribution is such that it is inversely proportional to the capacitance. That is, if more is the capacitance, less is the potential. So it is inversely proportional. Likewise, it gets distributed. So we can say that V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Look here, this formula is very important. In case of series combination, V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. And one more thing should be taken into account, that in series combination, charge is same in the capacitor, in all the three capacitors. See here, first capacitor, you can say that here this capacitor and this capacitor, charge is same, but potential here, here and here gets distributed. Now suppose if we consider formula, we know that formula is Q is equal to CV. So V can be written in the form of Q by C. This is the general formula. So V1 will become Q upon C1, V2 will become Q upon C2 and V3 will become Q upon C3. So likewise we can substitute its value. We will cancel Q and we will get C, the equivalent capacitance, the total capacitance of the circuit, which is also known as effective capacitance or the net capacitance or the total capacitance, is 1 upon C is 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3, or you can say summation of 1 upon C, because there can be more than 3 capacitors. So the reciprocal of effective capacitance, reciprocal means 1 upon C, is the sum of reciprocals of individual capacitance. So in series combination of capacitors, the effective capacitance, children please note this carefully, the effective capacitance in series combination is less than the least of all individual capacitance. By this sentence, least we mean, suppose if this is 2 microfarad, this is 3 microfarad and this is 5 microfarad. So least out of them is 2 micro. So the answer C, effective capacitance will be less than 2. So I think this much is clear to you. Now we come to next slide. This is parallel combination of capacitor. In parallel combination of capacitor, again we have taken 3 capacitors. They are connected end to end. The first plate of all the 3 capacitor, look here children, this plate, this first plate, this, all the 3 are combined to the first positive plate of the potential battery, and negative plate of the battery is connected to the other end of the capacitor. Okay, so here we have taken 3 capacitors. Let their capacity be, or the capacitance be, C1, C2 and C3. Children, here what happens, charge gets distributed. The charge that is flowing, or the charge of each capacitor will differ, it will get distributed. In series combination, potential was getting distributed and charge was same, but in case of parallel combination, charge is being distributed but the potential will remain same. This V potential will be across this capacitance, will be across this capacitance, will be across this capacitance. Okay, this thing should be taken into mind when we will do numericals. Everything more, your concept will be clarified more. So here you can write formula as Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. Next, so formula Q is equal to C1V. We can put the value of all the 3 charges. You will get C is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3, because we will get cancelled out. V is same. So here the capacitance increases, the overall capacitance is more. It will be more larger than the largest of all individual capacitance. Suppose it is 2 microfarad, this is 3 microfarad, this is 4 microfarad. So what will be, children, what will be the total capacitance? It will be 7, 8, 9 microcoulombs, the addition of all the three. Okay, so in parallel combination we have to just add it. So the effective capacitance is the sum of individual capacitance.